Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a 1999 Camaro SS convertible. I got Bob, the owner here, is going to tell us a little bit about it. How you been, Bob?
Yeah, I'm good. How are you, Michael?
Good. Nice to see you. I haven't seen you in a while.
No.
Nice car. So tell us a little about it.
It's a 5.7. It's got a nice cam and lifters in it. It's got headers. The rear's got a 373 rear. It's got the Flowmaster exhaust.
Sounds
Got
good.
a real nice stereo system all redone in it. Everything's all brakes, transmission. Everything's all brand new.
All done, huh?
Everything's done, and it's a driver. It's a really pretty car. It
Really
runs
is.
really well.
Love the custom wheels and tail lights. Looks like you got a brand new set of tires all the way around.
Yep. All new tires. Everything's new.
This color's unique, too. You know, I never seen it in gray. Automatic. Brand new top too, right, Bob?
Yes, brand new convertible top. Yep, the interior is really good. It's a really pretty car.
It is super nice. You know, you just can't beat this kind of car for the money. Such a good value, you know?
No, I agree with you. And you know what it is though?
Yeah.
If you don't go through a guy like you, they nickel and dime. It's just,
Yeah.
I'll come down, but I don't want to be. They talk stupid.
Yeah.
Look at the front. There's not a nick in the freaking.
I know, so pretty.
I know I got a couple little things, but nothing outrageous.
It's a 99.
I know, but you know these people.
What is it, 23 years old?
I know.
Man, I'll never get tired of this body. Yeah, it's just so nice. Custom interior. All the seats are redone with the SS embroidering. Oh, you put a stereo in it too, huh?
Yes, I did.
JVC.
Got a nice stereo. It's got a big bow bass in the back of the trunk.
Oh,
That's like a big one.
cool. A lot of metallic in this paint too. So pretty. Yeah, it sounds healthy, huh?
Yeah, it's got a real nice sound to it. That's the cam. The cam makes a big difference.
Yeah, and the Flowmasters, iconic. 113,000 miles. Real nice dash, no cracks or anything. Man, it's in such a great shape, you know?
Yeah, it's a pretty car. It's definitely nice.
You pop the hood? There she is, 5.7. These motors are like indestructible. They're great, right?
You can't break it.
Yep.
Really a super motor.
Super motor. Probably one of the best motors they ever made. You know, next to the LS. All new brakes around too, huh? All new brakes, Bob?
All new brakes, all new everything all done. Everything's
Oh, new struts too. And she's turnkey, ready to go. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Give me a call, 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. That's weebyautos.com. And nice seeing you, Bob.
Nice seeing you too. Thank you.
You're welcome.